What you're looking at right now is a makeshift citizen science kit. I sterilized 2 mason jars and the scoop in boiling water in order to get sediment samples and water samples of the Humber River. Today's date is August the 17th. Earlier I had witnessed a spill in the Humber River in this particular area on June the 1st. And I reported it using 911 to the firemen and the police. Right now I don't see a huge amount of rainbow sheen at all along the edge. It looks pretty clear right now, but then the water is very low. So you can see there's a lot of dirt and sediment in the rocks and stuff. So what I'm going to be doing is scooping some of that dirt, shaking it up and seeing if there's any solvent left at all in these zones. And then the sample I'm going to hang on to and see if I can pass it along to the MOE if there's anything at all to report. The reason this is important is because there was a spill that occurred in this area on May the 31st. It may or may not have been an oil spill. Actually, the emergency services actually stated it was not an oil spill, but it was solvent dumped from a sewer. The reason why it is important to collect a physical sample is because it could identify whether or not the spill I saw is the same spill, and it could also identify which of the multiple pipelines of this area that solvent came from. I had collected a sample in a Tim Hortons bottle. It was brought to the MOE, and they didn't want to test it because they said it wasn't tested in a scientific manner. Mainly, I just gathered it up in a Tim's bottle. It was the best I could do on the fly because I wasn't actually anticipating to see any kind of a chemical in the water at the time. But now I'm here today with my sanitized container and spoon to gather up the dirt, add water, shake it around, see if I can see any solvents. And that's basically what I'm here for today.